So today also we are discussing multiples and submultiples angles based on yesterday formulas. Now see once again recall the formulas. So sin 2a, what is the formula, dear students? That is 2 sin a cos a. In terms of tan means 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So please revise these formulas, all of you. In terms of tan, what is the answer? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. In terms of cos, 2 cos square a minus 1. In terms of sin means 1 minus 2 sin square a, like that. Now tan 2a, what is the formula? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Fine. And sin 3a, see, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a is nothing but 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And tan 3a is nothing but 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now, so here also discussed. Alpha is 60, 120, 240, 300 means. So these are the formulas. So please revise these formulas thoroughly, dear students. So with the help of these formulas, you can solve problems today. Let us see what are they asking. How to apply these formulas? See. So be ready with the formulas. Now see. Today, I will give one formula C. Very important this one, dear students. Two plus and so on is equal to, what is that? 2 times cos of pi by 2 power n plus 1. That's why given proof, this one proof. Still anybody need, raise your hands, I can explain the proof also once again, if anybody needs. Otherwise we'll discuss some problems. Okay, now see. Yeah, so hands down please, I will explain. Thank you. Proof. Yeah, hands down. So general cases I'm taking, dear students, see. General case I'm taking like that. Okay, let x is equal to, simple case I'm giving. How to solve? So see carefully, x is equal to root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 plus 0. Any objection? This one I can write. So in the place of 0, I can write 2 into cos of pi by 2. See carefully. Two plus 2 into, take the common factor. Cos pi by 2 is coming. Observe. So here we are using one property. 1 plus cos theta is equal to, what is the answer anyone? 2 cos square theta by 2. This is concept is based on the submultiple angles. 1 plus cos theta is how much? 2 times cos square theta by 2. So 1 plus cos pi by 2 is how much anyone? That is 2 times cos square pi by 4. Because theta is pi by 2. Now, what are the results? See. What are the cases coming? 4 into cos square pi by 4. See carefully. That is What is the root? 2 cos pi by 4. Similarly, from these two cases, take 2 as a common factor. Dear student, this is a 1. So this one from 1. So here also from 1, you can write. That is what the answer, can you guess? Root over 4 into cos square pi by 8. Still 2 plus 2 cos pi by 8. Still what the answer is coming, can you guess? So 2 into cos pi by 16 is coming. What you are observing? Anyone? So this one I can write 2 into cos pi by 2 power 3 plus 1. Here 3 represents number of times repeated roots. See? Number of square roots. So that is the formula. So in general, 2 plus root over 2 plus so 2 into cos of pi by 2 power n plus 1. As it is, write down once again. See, this is the formula. Of course, proof is not required, but I'm giving. So based on this one, I'll do one quick example. Tell me what is the answer. After completing, please tell me. No, good. Now see, how many of you are responding? Let me see. See the question carefully. What is your answer? So here, n means represents number of square roots. So what is the answer here? How many square roots are there? 4. What is the formula? 2 times cos of pi by 2 power 4 plus 1, dear students. So that is 2 times cos of pi by 32. Leave it. Good note. So how many of you are remembering yesterday value sine 18 degrees? How much, anyone? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. What is the complementary angle in terms of cos? That is cos 72 degrees. So similarly, you can revise the remaining formulas also. Yes. So I'm giving formulas, one write down, all of you. If a plus b is equal to 60 degrees, suppose problem number 1, sine square a plus sine square b plus sine a sine b is equal to 3 by 4. So same formula is applicable for cos also. That means cos square a cos square b minus cos a cos b. 2. If a minus b is equal to 60 degrees, then 1 sine square a plus sine square b is minus sine a sine b. Cos square a plus cos square b plus cos a cos b is equal to 3 by 4. I will give a small example. See all of you. Fine. Sine square 46 degrees. Now sine square 14 degrees. Sine 46 into sine 14 degrees. How much anyone? Yes, 3 by 4. Yes, because here a plus b 46 degrees plus 14 degrees is how much? 60. Therefore, answer is how much? 4. So I think white color is visible for you. Is clear? Which one is suitable for you? Tell me. Fine. Okay. Still anyone writing? Shall I proceed? Okay. Next question. Yeah, just a minute. Yesterday, I wrote one formula. How many of you remembering? Let me see. Tan theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta into and so on 1 plus secant 2 power n minus 1 theta. Anyone what is the answer? Tan power 2n theta. Yes, good. Now write down one question. It was the previous JEE mains question, dear students. See carefully. Fine. So this type of questions you can expect coming weekend exam. Be careful. Tan 9 minus tan 27 degrees, tan 63 degrees plus tan 81 degrees. Any one. So how to approach this type of model? See. Let me see. So what the logic is there? This type of problem. First of all, 9 plus 81. Complementary angle. See. Yes. Just a minute. This is coming. See. So here I'm taking combinations. What is that? See. Tan 9 degrees plus tan 81 minus of right on. Now, dear students, express in terms of sin and cos. Okay, good. What is the answer? Sin 9 by cos 9 plus sin 81 degrees by cos 81 degrees minus of cos 63. Okay, well response. Thank you. So apply the LCM concept. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the answer? Anyone? Who can get sin of A plus B by cos 9 into cos 81. Similarly, here also sin of A plus B. See, divided by cos 27 into cos 63. 9 plus 81, sin 90 is 1, dear students. 27 plus 63, 90 sin 90 is also here also 1. Then try to next step. Good response, thank you. Every day we are introducing one formula, see, deriving some formulas. Shall I proceed? Okay, thank you. Now see. So 1 by what you are getting cos 9 into cos 81 minus 1 by cos 27 into cos 63. Correct? Now, what is the complementary angle of cos 81 in here? Anyone? We know that cos 81 means I can write sin 9. Cos 63 means we can write sin 27 because both are complementary angles. So, therefore, cos 9 sin 9 minus 1 by cos 27 into sin 27. Dear students, what I am doing here, multiply and divide with 2. Here also. So 2 by 2 sin theta cos theta. What is the formula? That is sin 2 theta. So this is sin 18 degrees. This is sin 54 degrees. So dear students, take 2 outside. 1 by. What is the value of sin 18 degrees? Anyone? That is root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So that is 8 times. So take the LCM, dear students. 8 into LCM is coming root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 whole square minus 1 whole square. See carefully. Still anyone confusing how to take the LCM? This is minus of root 5 minus 1. So these two terms are cancelled. So 8 into 2 by a square minus b square. How much is coming? 4. So answer is. So my request is all of you. Whenever you are completing the question, please keep in box. Conclusion is very, very important. So this type of models you can expect, dear students. So don't miss this question. Today we'll discuss some advanced level problems. See. Yeah. Question. Right on. Fine. Tan power 6, 20 degrees minus 33 into tan power 20 degrees plus 27 into tan power tan square 20 degrees. Find its value. So they are asking this question, but I am adding one more question. I'm adding one more small question for this case. See. How to approach this type of model? See, dear students, see, yeah. So write down given. First of all, let theta is equal 20 degrees. Okay. Now multiply with the 3 on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. So dear students, what is the value of tan 3 theta in a 1? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Clear? How? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta is equal to root 3 into 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So applying squaring on both sides, we get, see carefully, what is the getting? 3 tan theta, I'm writing step by step, see carefully. A minus 2 whole square, 3 into 1 minus whole square. Can you guess what the answer is coming? Tan power 6 theta plus 9 tan square theta minus 6 tan power theta. Right answer is what? 27 tan power 4 theta is coming. See carefully. Plus 3 is coming. So dear students, each and every term transpose this side. What you are getting? Tan power 6 theta minus 6 minus 27, that is 33 tan power 4 theta plus 9 plus 18, that is 27 tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Clearly, what is the meaning here? Tan 20 degrees is the root of the equation. That is the meaning. Therefore, now dear students, what they are asking, put theta is equal to 20. This one is completely advanced question, dear students. So anyone having doubts, raise your hand. I will repeat this question. Okay, what is the doubt, Narinder? So take theta is equal to 20 degrees. Apply multiply with 3. Why? Because we know what is the tan 3 theta. Yes. Okay. So tan 3 theta is how much? Formula 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by, what is the result is coming? See, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Apply cross multiplication. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta is equal to root 3 into 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now applying squaring on both sides. Why applying squaring on both sides means here degree is magnitude degree 3, but in the question what the degree is given 6. And that's why applying squaring on both sides, expanding a minus b whole square. So each and every term transposed to this side, that is your answer. Replace theta by 20. Thank you, Dimple. So sometimes they're giving t also in the place of some variable x. But procedure is same thing. Shall I proceed? Okay. Right on. Your place is not so small. This is the first I'm writing. Just how many of you remember? Let me see. Sin A. What is the formula? Cos A. Cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. These are what? Anyone? Submultiple angles. 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2 or 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So based on this one, I'm giving one question. Write down. Dear students, how many of you having idea? Three numbers are in GP, AP. What is the meaning? Anyone? I'm writing. First of all, if A, B, C are in AP, what is the meaning? 2B is equal to A plus C. One, two. If A, B, C are in HP, for example, harmonic progressions, what do you mean? Anyone? One by A, one by B, 1 by C are in what? AP. That is the meaning. Every time converting to AP. Reciprocals are in AP. So that means what? 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Please remember these points. Whenever they are giving three terms are in HP means converted to AP, dear students. Now question right on. Previous J means question, dear students. Let me see how many of you are responding. Give cos of theta minus alpha. Cos theta. Cos of theta plus alpha are in HP. Then find. Then cos theta into secant of alpha by 2 is dash. What is the answer? So listen carefully. What the condition is given? If cos of theta minus alpha, cos of theta plus alpha are in HP is given. Then how to solve? That's why I have given some properties of HP and AP. Write down given cos theta are in HP. So can you accept what they are reciprocals? What? Anyone? Are in AP. So definition of AP is how much, dear students? 2 by cos theta. See the definition? 1 by cos of theta minus alpha plus 1 by cos of theta plus alpha. So see, 2 by cos theta, fine. Take the LCM. Cos of theta plus alpha plus cos of theta minus alpha. So anyone please tell me, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, what is the result is coming? That is 2 cos theta cos alpha, because sin theta sin alpha minus sin theta sin alpha both are cancelled, divided by cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, anyone? That is cos square theta minus sin square alpha. I will write the formula, so no problem, don't worry. Since better cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b is equal to how much? 2 times cos a cos b. Expand. Okay, now? And cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, what is the answer? Cos square a minus. Now, dear students, I am using these properties. What is the answer is coming? Now, apply cross multiplication. What the result is coming? See, 2 cos square theta minus 2 sin square alpha. Yeah, better 2 to cancel. No? Yeah, 2 is not required. Is equal what? Cos square theta into cos alpha. See carefully. This term transposed to LHS and this one is transposed to RHS. It is not required. Okay. Once again, see, no? Whenever they are given 3 terms are in HP means, what is the case? Their reciprocals are in AP, should understand. A, B, C are in AP means what is the formula? 2B is equal to A plus C. I wrote that one C. Here B means 1 by cos theta. Like the 2 by cos theta is equal to 1 by cos A, cos of theta minus alpha plus, like that. Now, after that, take the LCM, simplify. Here 2 to cancel. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B can get 2 cos A cos B. Fine. So from these two terms, what is the common factor? That is cos square theta into 1 minus cos alpha. Fine. Dear students, see carefully. 1 minus cos alpha, how to write, anyone? 2, no, wait, am I erasing? 1 minus means what is the case? In terms of sign only, that is 2 sin square alpha by 2. That's why see, you should revise formula submultiples. Cos 2 alpha is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha formula, submultiples. Dear students, sin square alpha, how to write, see carefully. 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 whole square. What the result is coming? Cos square theta into 2 into sin square alpha by 2, 4 sin square alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2. Sin square alpha by 2 sin square alpha by 2 cancel. That is the answer. After completing, tell me, I can proceed. That's what I'm saying. Everyday practice is required. If you are understanding basics formulas, it will be trigonometry chapter is very easy. You can enjoy this chapter. Not visible. Wait. Understood. Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Sharing screen where option is minimize. Where is the possible? Let me see. Yeah, just a minute. I'm saying. Wait. Yeah, now visible. Yeah. Once again, repeating. See. Yes. Right. Previous year means question. This one. Right on. After completing, please tell me. A, B, C are in HP means 1 by A. Their reciprocals are in AP, I'm saying. Yeah. First, write the question. I will explain once again. Okay. See, dear students, these three terms are in HP. Find this value they're asking. So HP means the reciprocal terms are in AP. Now see the formula. I wrote here. 2b is equal to a plus c. That's the case. 2b is equal to a plus c. A means this one. A, B, C are in AP like that. See formula. Now take the LCM. So after that I wrote here, see, I'm using these two formulas. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Nothing but cos square A minus sin square B. So here 2 to cancel. Apply the cross multiplication. Now after that transpose this side. Fine. But here, from these two cases, cos square is theta is the common factor. Then what is the value of 1 minus cos alpha? That is 2 times sin square alpha by 2. Sin square alpha. Sin alpha means what is the formula? 2 sin theta cos theta formula is there, no? Sin 2 theta. Yes, I'm using this one. So apply square. Then sin square alpha by 2, sin square alpha by 2 cancel. And what is the next step is coming? See, let us see. Listen carefully. Next step is cos square theta into 2 is equal to 4 into cos square alpha by 2. So cos square theta into secant square alpha by 2 is equal to 2 is coming. So answer is how much? Servants root 2. Don't worry, I'll repeat here. I will share the file, don't worry. I'll see. Don't worry, I will share the file. Now see. So dear students, I'm discussing one previous JEE mains and advanced question. How they are asking in advanced question and JEE mains also how they are asking. Okay, now see. First of all, I'm writing formula. See, how many of you are accepting? Tan theta by 2 into 1 plus secant theta, 1 plus secant 2 theta, 1 plus secant 2 power n theta is equal to how much? Tan 2 power n theta formula. Here, 1 R. Here, someone is raising hand. One. Once you explain second previous question, yeah, someone is asking out. Wait. Second step means pardon, yeah. See here, see the definition once again. A, B, C are in AP. What is the formula CDS student? That is 2B is equal to A plus C. We discussed in Bridgewater C. I wrote here. A, B, C are in AP means 2B is equal to A plus C. A, B, C are in HP means then their reciprocals are in AP definition. That is the harmonic progression. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So apply. Here B means 1 by B here. 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. X, Y, Z. I'm adding one more point, C. HP. And what you can say? 2 by Y is equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Z. Keep your point, this one. That's the meaning HP means. Directly you can say if A, B, C are in H2 means 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Don't worry, we discuss in progressing series also. Now, 2 tan theta into 1 plus secant 2 theta, 1 plus secant 4 theta, and so on 1 plus secant for theta. What is the answer? Both are same cases coming. Now, question is given f suffix n of theta is equal to, question is right on all of you? If this one is the advanced question. If tan theta by 2 into 1 plus secant theta into 1 plus secant square theta into and so on, better 1 plus secant 2 power n theta, dear students. Then which of the following options are correct? Okay, dear students, A, f suffix 2 of pi by 16 is equal to 1. See the question carefully. F suffix 4 of pi by 64 is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. D, f suffix suppose 3, 4 completed, suppose take 5. 5 by 128 is equal to 1. Then what is the answer? Anyone tell me? Ramalakshmi responding A, okay. Srihita responding B, option B. Anyone? Dimple responding A, okay. Option B, okay. Most of the girls are responding A. What about boys? Okay, let me see. Okay. So, dear students, f suffix n of theta, what is the formula? Directly shall I write this one? Anyone having objection? With the help of these two properties, please write on this one. Okay. Now take option A, dear. Take option A. Suppose A. F suffix 2 of pi by 16. Let us check it. 10. 2 power n. N is how much? 2 is given. Of pi by 16. So how much is coming? That is pi by 4. So answer is how much? 1. So option A is correct. Dear students, f suffix 4 pi by 64, suppose take it. What is the answer? 10. 2 power 4 into pi by 64. So how much is 1? Pi by 4. So option B is also correct. So similarly, f suffix 3 of pi by that would is equal to 1. F suffix 5 pi by 128 is also 1. So all options are correct. So it was the previous JEE advanced question. Now, same question how they're asking JEE mains means of WC. They're giving statement, then fine. Like that they're asking. It's a beautiful question. So they're asking this question. F suffix 5 of pi by 128. is equal to S. They're asking. What is the answer, anyone? Yes, towers are correct. No, Anjali is 11. Correct. Answer is 4. Numerical question. So this one also can expect. In coming J means pattern, all of you know. There are 5 numerical questions are there. So we can expect these type of models also. So answer is 4. Right on. Take your own time after completing, tell me. So shall we discuss same questions or easy questions you want? Hardest questions, difficult questions. Good. Okay, I'm giving one funny question. Tell me who will respond. We'll discuss one previous year advanced question. Dear students, how they're asking. See, if you are practicing advanced level questions, dear students, it will be easy for you to solving mains questions, MCET level questions also. Yeah, different questions. Thank you, Dimple. So shall I proceed now or not? Still anyone writing? Okay, see. Generally, sometimes they're asking why 2 into sine 9 degrees. That is the question. See, everyone silent. 2 into sine 9 degrees. KJF, now tell me what is the answer? Karthik? Now everyone silent. Okay. Now see how to approach it. Logic is important. See, dear students, how to approach it carefully. First of all, cos 9 degrees plus sine 9 degrees. Whole square is how much, anyone? 1 plus 2 sine 9 degrees cos 9 degrees. Accepting all of you? Apply this one. A plus b whole square. See, a square plus b square is how much? 1 plus 2ab. So this one how to write? So therefore, cos 9 degrees plus sine 9 degrees is how much, dear students? That is root over 1 plus sine 18 degrees. Fine. Any doubts? A square plus b square is how much here? 1. Identity. Sine square 9 degrees plus cos square 9 degrees is 1. See carefully. Now, similarly, some students may be confusing here. What is the answer? 1 minus sine 18 degrees, because you should understand cos 9 degrees is greater than sine 9 degrees. This one is always positive, dear student. First quadrant, okay, no? Cos is decreasing, sine is increasing, first quadrant. Yeah. Yeah, of course, root is there, thank you. This one is important. This is root over, thank you. Dear students, this is a 1. This is a 2. Fine. Now come to the question, what they're asking, 2 times sine 9 degrees. What would be here? 1 minus 2. We get, if you're doing like this only, cos 9 cancel. 2 into sine 9 degrees is equal to root over 1 plus sine 18 degrees minus root over 1 minus sine 18 degrees. Now see, anyone, what is the value of sine 18 degrees? So put this values. So 2 into sine 9 degrees is equal to 1 plus root 5 minus 1 by 4. Coming your point. 1 minus of root 5 minus 1 by 4. Yeah. Subtract means sine, getting cosine cancel, can get 2 into sine 9, this one minus this one. Now, dear students, take the LCM. 3 plus root 5 by 2 is coming C, minus 4 minus, it means this is 5 minus root 5 by 2. So take 1 by 2 is the common factor. Root over 3 plus root 5, 5 minus root 5. This is the value of 2 into sine 90 degrees value. Please write down. So I'm giving one more question, practice at home. Anyone? Find 2 into sine 27 degrees. You can practice at home, submit the solutions individually. This one. And one more thing, please remind me at the end of the class, I will do one DPP. I'm adding questions, okay? So dear students, I'm giving one DPP question paper. Write down questions. Shall I proceed? No, don't say the answer, okay? No? Yes, this is the DPP only. I'm giving options also, but to submit the solutions later. Dear students, see. So here I'm not giving options. Yeah, someone is writing. This time I'm finding who is that. Let me wait. Sine power 4 theta plus, yeah, I know who is that. Sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 into f of theta. Then find f of pi by 4. Question number 2. Right on? So don't say the answer right now. What is the answer? Can find out later. Send me individually. Question number 1. 1. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 plus cos square 16 degrees. Three. Question number 3, just a minute. Root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees. 4. 4. Find quadratic equation whose roots are sin square 18 degrees and cos square 36 degrees. Question number 5. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. Then cos 3 theta is equal to k into x cube plus 1 by x cube, where k is dash. Question number 6. Submit the solutions individually. Just a minute, I'm searching. Yes. Don't send the message. I'm not seeing your messages. Sine 12 degrees. Sine 48 degrees. Sine 54 degrees. What is the answer? Next one is sine 6 degrees. Sine 42 degrees. Sine 66 degrees. Sine 78 degrees. If A is equal to tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees, B is equal to cot 66 degrees into cot 78, then prove that A is equal to B. This is an excellent question. We can give options also. Find 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 into sine 250 degrees. Tan 6a minus tan 4a minus tan 2a is equal to lambda times tan 6a 4a tan 2a. Find lambda. Sin square 52.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. Please write down all of you. So please write down these questions. Narendra, what is your doubt now? Question number 6. Just like you try yourself. If you are not getting, we'll discuss tomorrow. No? Questions. Second one is question is clear. Just a minute. I'm changing the slides. See, all of you. Just a minute. So plus or minus this one. Check just a minute. This is the plus. Right? Now, Anyone having doubts? Tell me. Discuss. Yeah. What happened here? So this is the DPP means first you should try on this one. Daily practice problem. First you should try it. If anyone having doubts, tomorrow we'll discuss this one. Just now I given, I have given, again you're asking these are doubts, sir. Just now, okay, na? Just now I have given some questions. Should try yourself. We are not getting, tomorrow we'll discuss. These questions I will explain in the classroom only. Okay, tomorrow, 12 to 120. So this one is a tomorrow class. Now, shall I proceed? Shall I give two more questions? Okay, someone is asking, the Jishnu is asking, question number 4, write down all of you. One of the intelligent student asking, write down. Question number 4. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta is, what is the answer? X square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Yeah, good. Can you accept this one? Yeah, let me see. Yeah, good. Everyone respond. Yeah, very happy, really happy. But here, what is alpha, dear students? What is anyone? What is alpha? Sorry? Why without my permission changing? Just a minute. So, sine square 18 degrees is how much? Alpha. Cos square 36 degrees is given beta. See careful, this is a very, very good question. How to approach? So, my dear students, what is the value of sine square 18 degrees? Anyone? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So, how much is coming? 1 by 16 into 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5. That is how much? 3 minus root 5 by 4, 8. That is alpha. Accepting? So what is the value of alpha? Cos 36. Please help me. What is the 36 value? I wrote somewhere. Root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Fine. Thank you. So expanding, what the result is coming? 1 by 8 into 3 plus root 5 is coming. Clear? Now, dear students, sum of the roots. What is the answer? 1 by 8 into 3 minus root 5 plus 3 plus root 5. What is the answer? 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. Similarly, alpha beta, that means 3 minus root 5 by 8 into 3 plus root 5 by 8. So a minus b into a plus b, that means 9 minus 5 by 64. What is the result? That is 1 by 16. Therefore, x into sine square 18 degrees plus cos square 36 plus dear students, accepting this point. So this is the required quadratic equation in terms of alpha and beta. Now, sum of the roots is how much? 3 by 4. Product of the roots is 1 by 16. Now multiply with 16 on both sides. Minus 12x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is required equation. Happy just now? Welcome. Try, otherwise you can discuss, okay? Na? Okay, thank you, dear students. Any slide completed? Another problem. Oh, interest is there. Santosh, yeah, really appreciated. But everyone feeling hungry? Thank you, Santosh. Okay. Okay. Discontinue the class. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day and try to complete this TPP. All of you.